Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to control your laptop or PC remotely by your Android device. So before we start the video, I'll ask you something that till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more this types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Android device, open Play Store and search here AnyDesk. Then install it. After that, open this application and here privacy statement, click on OK. Then you need to install a plugin for run this application properly. Click on OK. Then install it. After that, get back from here. Then here click on agree. Then here click on more downloaded services. Then tap on AnyDesk control services. You need to enable this accessibility. Click on OK. Get back from here and tap on agree. That's it. Now go to on your laptop or desktop screen and download this same application on your computer. Open Chrome browser and type here AnyDesk. Go to this first website and from here click on download. After complete downloading process, open AnyDesk exe file. Then you will see here AnyDesk web version. Just close it. After that, you can see they asked for install PC version. Click on yes. Then you don't need to change anything. Just click on accept and install. Now just close this and open main software. Then enter your PC AnyDesk address on your mobile AnyDesk application. Then here click on this arrow. After that, you will get a message on your laptop or desktop. As you can see here, I got a message. Click on here, that option, and give here full access. Then accept. That's it. Then you will be able to use your computer from your Android device. As you can see here, I can use everything from my Android device. You will see here cursor on your Android device. You need to control it by your finger. Let me show you. Where you want to click on, just move cursor by finger in this place. Then tap on screen. That's it. So by this way you can control your computer by your Android device. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you.